Hello, Scott Rosano with Gigbuilder.com. We have got episode 103, which is our company setup. We are using the beta 1 version of Gigbuilder 7. Shouldn't change much at all as far as look and feel going forward, so let's go. First of all, we're going to go with setup, Gigbuilder setup. From our new setup section, setup menus, we're going to go to company information. And from company information, we're now going to build up our company. It starts with our company name. So we can call the company name, and whatever your company name is, we're just going to call this Mountain Music. The next thing in here is your admin. That's your name. And that gets to be used in various places. Your office address should default to your city and state, may or may not. Zip code, country, your office phone, fax phone. Nobody has that anymore, barely, but some still do, so we kept it. And your time zone. You can ignore the V5. That's going to be disappearing here once the beta's gone. But you're definitely going to want to find whatever particular time zone that you are in and take it down from there. The next section here is your website and social media. So you definitely want to put your website in here. I'm just going to leave Gigbuilder in there. If you've got Facebook, Twitter, etc., use these links. We'll actually show in a future video how this works with your client login. Next section down is a QR code or a V card. These can be dropped into any documents that you generate in Gigbuilder. That's going to come up in other versions when we talk about tokens. So when you hear that, remember that you can copy them here and use them other places. Your V card items, you simply select what information that you want, and it will build your card. Now, it's not showing a lot here right now because we haven't resaved it. If I save and reload it, you'll see the full amount. Your SMS number, I want you to leave this alone right now. This is called a pool. It's basically one or two numbers. We provide you with, we provide you with plenty of abilities with SMS. For example, sending and receiving two-way messages. Gigbuilder does that automatically. Going up to the next section here, at the top, system notifications. This is how the system can get a hold of you. And so you can put your email name in, which is probably good. And that's just your email name, however you want it. Gigbuilder provides you an automatic email. It has to do with your actual database name. This is used in various places as well. Put your mobile numbers in. If you have WhatsApp, put that number in. If you want SMS to be able to send links, and it doesn't work sometimes with AT&T, click that to yes, and that way when you get a message, it'll actually send a link to open up the event so you can go straight to it from your SMS. And we have a daily summary email, which I highly suggest sending every day. The daily summary tells you pretty much everything that's going on. Next thing down, to select a company image. You can select your own image from here, or you can upload your own. And you just simply click to upload, and then you're done. Pretty simple. Gigbuilder takes care of the rest. If you have liability equipment insurance, place those in here. We will keep on going in here. And if you've got EIN, sales tax, etc., there's some information in here that you can place in. Federal tax ID, for example, whether or not your service is taxable, and what the percentage is on that state for where you're at. The next section and the last section that we have on here is email server and routing. Now we're going to go through an entirely different video on how to set yourself up here with other servers, because you do not have to use ours. You can hook in right with Outlook. You can hook in with Gmail, and you'll have to sign and do some other things to take care of that. But that's pretty much the way that works. Leave it at Gigbuilder for the time being. Gigbuilder will handle all your email. Then your replies, it will reply to your company email address, which is what I have here. And I can change that to my actual email address, which you're going to need to do. Then the reply that comes back will go into Gigbuilder and also sent to your actual email address. That's what reply to both means. Reply to Gigbuilder means it only comes back into the Gigbuilder system, and reply to company email, it will only reply to your company email. Leave that at reply to both. So when you're done with everything, go ahead and hit save. And once you hit save, it'll take you back to the main menu. We go ahead and reopen it just to make sure we've got everything. Current uploaded image, don't know why it changed to that. We'll change that back again. Scroll down here, and now we've got our business cards. As you can see, they're fully configured out. and we'll save it again. So now you've got ahead and you've set up your company information. It's time for the next video.